Organizing meeting agendas in teamwork.com is a great way to streamline your team's communication and ensure everyone is on the same page before any meeting. If you're looking for a simple, effective method to keep your meetings organized, you're in the right place. Stick around, because I'll walk you through how you can use Teamwork to set up, manage, and track your meeting agendas like a pro, and I'll even show you how to take advantage of an exclusive offer to use Teamwork for free. So let's dive right into it. Teamwork is a project management software that's perfect for organizing tasks, tracking progress, and yes, keeping your meetings on track too. One of the first things you'll want to do is create a new project or task specifically for your meeting agendas. You can start by setting up a task list for each meeting. This is key because every meeting, whether it's weekly or monthly, can have its own dedicated task list, keeping things organized and easy to navigate. When you create a task list, you can add specific agenda items as tasks, which allows you to set deadlines, assign owners, and track the progress of each item. This way, everyone involved in the meeting knows exactly what to prepare for, and no one misses any critical points. You can even include descriptions for each item to make sure every team member knows exactly what's expected. Teamwork also lets you add comments, attach documents, or include links to external resources directly to each task. This is especially useful for meeting agendas because it keeps everything in one place. No need to juggle emails or external documents. You can also use the priority feature to mark the most critical items for discussion so everyone knows where to focus. One feature you should definitely use is the ability to assign team members to specific agenda points. This not only keeps everyone accountable, but also ensures that each point has a dedicated person leading the discussion. Plus, you can set up reminders for these tasks so no one forgets what they need to bring to the meeting. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. After your meeting, you can easily track progress by creating follow-up tasks based on the decisions made or action items assigned during the meeting. Teamwork's built-in reporting tools let you easily see which items are completed, which are pending, and which need more attention. If you want to save even more time, you can set up recurring tasks for meetings. For example, if you have a weekly meeting, you can automate the creation of agenda tasks so they show up every week at the same time. This makes it easy to ensure you're always ready for the next discussion without having to manually set everything up. Now, as a bonus, I want to tell you about something special. If you click the first link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of Teamwork. That means you can start using this powerful software right away and experience how much smoother your meetings can run without any initial cost. In conclusion, organizing meeting agendas in teamwork.com is simple, effective, and a huge time saver. By setting up task lists for each meeting, assigning owners, and tracking progress, you can keep everything organized and ensure your team stays on track. And with the exclusive extended free trial, there's no reason not to try it out for yourself. Click the link below and take your team's meetings to the next level with Teamwork today.